This is Epson WF3820. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you select from this top, you will see Wi-Fi recommended. But what I noticed is I've put the password 3 times and it didn't connect. So what I want to do is now to connect this with hardwired and to the network router. So what I need to do is at the back here, so you will see LAN. Okay, so take the cable, go in, and it's in. And take this end of the cable to your network router. So this end of the cable go to your network router. Okay, and it's in. So go to the screen and select network. Select Wi-Fi network. Select change settings. Now select wireless router session, and it picked up. So you need to type the password. And select OK. Select Start. Setup complete. Select Close. So this printer now is connected to a network. If you want to add it to your mobile phone, then you need to download Epson Smart Panel. So go to your Play Store, type Epson Smart Panel, download it on your phone. So download Epson Smart Panel, open it up. Now, the next thing you need to do is set up a new product or connect a product already on the Wi-Fi network. So you need to select connect a product already on the Wi-Fi network, and they will start to look for available printer. Here we go. You found the printer. So you need to select on it. Connection is complete. Select OK. So now you can use this printer and do so many things. And if this is the ink, it will show you WF3820 series is available.